Back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a set of wiper blades. In this case we're talking about a GMC Sierra 1500, but this will apply to most vehicles in the general market. So to start, let's go ahead and pop those windshield wipers up. Go ahead and get both of them up. That would give you easy access to the windshield wipers. It's a lot easier than trying to mess with them while they're in the down position. So for today we're going to go with some Bosch Focus wiper blades. They are some of the best ones that you can buy on the market. I'm not going to say that they're the very best, but I do have a link to them down in the description below. They've done me well in the past. You can do Reinix also. They're another good choice. There's a couple other good brands, but these are some of the top end Bosch wiper blades that you can buy in most locations. Amazon link below. To get started, there's a little tab underneath the wiper blade. It's a very loose tab. You're going to go ahead and push it in the down position, and when you do, you should be able to pull down and instantly release that wiper blade. Sometimes it can be a little tricky getting them loose. Just give it a couple tries, but once you get it, it'll make the second side a lot easier. The wiper blades themselves have a couple quick pictures on some installation suggestions, but I always feel like a video is a little bit easier because wiper blades are sometimes unnecessarily complicated when you haven't done one before. So let's go ahead and unwrap these things and get them out of the package here. So referencing back to the pictures, what you're going to do is, so this has a little clamshell, you're going to open it up from the back side. You're going to set the hook that's on the truck through the hole and then bring it back down around. Here's a good side view. Again, pull that open. There's a little hook area right there that wiper blade is going to set right into. And here you go, good side view right through, and then down and around the inside right there, and then just push it upwards until it doesn't have resistance. You may have to mess with it a time or two, and once it's in there, it'll kind of clip in place and then clamp down the top, and you can gently set the wiper blade back down on the glass. Go ahead and give it a test, make sure they're working properly before you start going down the highway. Definitely thumbs up, it's ready to go. Link to the description box down below. Make sure you subscribe, more videos coming soon, and check out some more videos if you want something more helpful, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions for future videos. Anyways, Nikki Kovac signing off. Peace.